Alara Vance at her console. Details: a futuristic, dimly lit room. Alara, focused, her face illuminated by the glow of a holographic interface. Her hands are a blur, interacting with floating, digital screens showing complex graphs and streams of data. Jox is leaning over her shoulder, curious. The overall atmosphere is high-tech and slightly overwhelming with information. Colors, mood, cool blues, greens, and purples from the screens. Soft, diffused ambient lighting. Intense and focused mood.
The spiking trend. A close-up of a central holographic display. Details: a vibrant, rapidly ascending graph dominating the screen, representing the Project Chimera trend. It should be sharply spiking upwards, with smaller, related data points or keywords like Chimera coordinates appearing around it, indicating its growing influence. The background is a blur of other data streams. Colors or mood: bright, urgent reds or oranges for the spike against a backdrop of calmer blues or greens. A sense of rapid escalation and urgency.
The decryption. Alara and Jox, tense, watching a decryption bar. Both Alara and Jox are leaning forward, expressions of intense concentration and anticipation on their faces. A large, central screen displays a progress bar, slowly filling, perhaps with lines of complex code scrolling alongside it. Their hands might be hovering over their consoles, ready. Colors or mood: a tense, anxious feel. Grays and muted tones, with a bright, glowing decryption bar drawing the eye. The ancient video clip. A projection of the grainy video on a larger screen. The screen shows a low-quality, futuristic laboratory scene. A shadowy, indistinct figure is speaking to an old-fashioned camera. The lab should look sterile, but also slightly dated compared to the modern setting, perhaps with flickering fluorescent lights. Alara and Jox are visible in the foreground, wide-eyed, reacting to what they see. Colors or mood: muted, desaturated colors for the video feed. A sense of historical revelation, tinged with mystery and a growing unease. We are awake. The final message appearing on the screen. Details: the laboratory video has vanished, replaced by stark, glowing text. We are awake. Thank you for the trend. The words should feel impactful and slightly ominous. Alara and Jox are in the foreground, stunned, their faces reflecting the glow of the screen. Their expressions convey a mix of shock, awe, and perhaps fear. Colors or mood: a stark contrast, with the bright, glowing text against a dark background. The mood is one of revelation, shock, and the dawning of a new, potentially frightening reality.